Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beignets using your air fryer. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of warm milk, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Don't forget a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance that classic beignet flavor. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a wonderful treat. Now let's get that dough ready. Begin by activating your yeast in the warm milk for about 5 minutes, allowing it to bloom. In a separate, large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, and salt. Then, incorporate the activated yeast mixture, the egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract into the dry ingredients. Knead this mixture for a good 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, let your dough rise in a warm, greased bowl for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. With your dough perfectly risen, it's time to shape and air fry these delightful treats. First, gently roll out your dough on a lightly floured surface until it's about 1/4 inch thick. Next, use a knife or pizza cutter to cut the dough into uniform 2-inch by 2-inch squares. Lightly spray your air fryer basket with a non-stick cooking oil. Place a single layer of beignet squares in the basket, making sure they have enough space. Air fry them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 6 minutes, flipping them halfway through for even cooking. Once your beignets are golden brown and beautifully puffed up, they are ready. Immediately transfer the warm beignets from the air fryer to a serving plate. Now for the best part, generously dust them with a thick layer of powdered sugar. This gives them that iconic, sweet finish we all love. Serve these lighter, air-fried beignets warm, perhaps alongside a cup of your favorite coffee or chicory. Enjoy this delightful, less greasy version of a classic New Orleans treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.